Today we're going to show you the photo shoot of baby Chay's 6th-month birthday, and it's going to be a DIY. This DIY photo shoot is no cost. We will not spend anything, and the materials that we're going to use is readily available. Since uso ang plants ngayon, naisip namin gawing nature yung theme ng photo shoot. So, naisip namin gumamit ng leaves, naisip namin gumamit ng plants, anything that is readily available sa labas na pwede naming magamit, puputo lang kami. Like, for example, meron kaming bamboo tree na maliit sa baba. So, we're going to use that. Good morning, baby! Ayan, guys, kukuha ako ng plants and flowers. Lalagyan ko ng konting flowers and bamboo. I think mas maganda yung bamboo. Okay, so eto, kukuha lang ako ng konti. Okay, so eto yung bamboo. This is so far the easiest DIY na nagawa namin. So with this one, inuna namin yung maki plant leaves to form the number 6. So, ayan guys, if you notice, nasa gilid yung bamboo leaves. And makikita nyo, medyo dry na siya, lanta na. Kasi kanina pa namin siya pinutol. If you're going to use bamboo leaves, you have to use it right after nyo siyang pitasin. Ngayon, ang ginawa namin, inalis namin lahat ng dry, kumuha kami ng bago para mas magandang tingnan. We added the bamboo leaves as a decoration, so more green color, the better. Ayan, so this is a very good idea kasi right now hindi tayo masyadong nakakalabas. Yung materials, hindi mo na kailangan bilhin. So it's right there, pipitasin mo na lang and definitely you can save money from this. Hindi mo kailangan gumastos. Mommies and daddies, ang ginawa namin while Chase was taking his nap, ginawa namin yung decoration para paggising niya, nasa mood si baby. Pwede siyang makipaglaro and nakangiti siya sa video. It's so cute and it's not messy. So that's it for our DIY photo shoot. Guys, this is just another tip. If you're going to use the bamboo leaves, we recommend that you change the bedsheet after the photo shoot kasi medyo makati siya sa balat, just to make sure na walang mangangati or magkakaroon ng skin irritation. Again, this DIY photo shoot is simple, easy, and this is free. Thank you again for watching and see you on our next vlog.